This wet wood will be perfect for testing out my new fire starter formula. Put some of this bigger stuff in so it can start drying out. What I like about it is the fact that you don't need 2 pots. You can do this with 1 cup and the AeroPress coffee maker. Tell you what, there's nothing like a cup of coffee in the cold weather. Just got really cold really fast. Not quite cold enough to snow, but that's a good cup of joe. The AeroPress coffee maker is now available at fireboxstove.com.